Have you ever wondered why plants need only minerals but we human beings require both minerals and vitamins? Why do you think this happens is an interesting discussion, and this whole answer can be just addressed with a simple query, and that is understanding what are minerals and vitamins. Now, when we talk about plants, we say from the soil plant take the mineral. We also take minerals through our food intake, and those are essential for our growth and development. Some of the common examples of mineral we can say are calcium, phosphorus, potassium, sodium. Then we have trace elements like cobalt, selenium, copper. So all of those are required in trace amount in the body. Plants take this directly from the soil. We human beings take these through the food material that we get from the plants. But what about vitamins? We have been understanding that we as human beings have been consuming vitamins for our daily needs, but we have never heard in the cycle of let's say photosynthesis or the plant growth that we have focused on, that plants intake vitamins. Plants do not intake vitamin. Now, how are vitamins formed and what are they? So vitamins are actually organic compound. That means they are made up of carbon. Now, since they are made up of a carbon and they are not present in the human body or the plant body, they are required from the external source, and therefore understanding the vitamins in human body is important. Now, in human beings, we do not intake carbon in any other form as plants do. So plants intake carbon dioxide for manufacturing of their food in the process of photosynthesis. So with this carbon that comes in, the organic compounds are formed, and therefore plants have a capability to produce vitamins. However, animals or human beings do not have these organic compounds that are present, and therefore they are taken as a supplement, as an addition to our diet. And if you remember, what are the main sources of vitamins that we focus on? So it's predominantly the green leafy vegetables that we talk when we especially focus on vitamin B. Now, so this vitamin makes it so unique. Now, they are not produced in the human body, and as we said, vitamins are organic compounds. On the other hand, minerals are inorganic compounds. So very important to understand, this inorganic compound is obtained by the plants through the soil. However, the organic compound is produced by the plants. However, in case of human beings, both vitamins and minerals are taken as a supplement. They are not produced in the body. They are obtained through the food that we eat, and therefore we are dependent on plant sources for getting vitamins and minerals to a great extent, which are actually the producers of vitamins. Now, organic compounds are the vitamins and inorganic compounds are the minerals. Very important understanding of this concept, and both of these are not produced in the human body. They are essential for our growth and development and are obtained through the sources from outside our body, and that's the basic difference between the two. And therefore we say that plants take only minerals while animals or human beings require both vitamins and minerals as a supplement.